everybody. Miss Sam checking in. Talk and Drink live. Now I've got just take a quick sip and I've got to share. I want everybody to share this live because I'm going to be talking quite a bit tonight. Cheers. I'm drinking this particular red wine for the first time. It's all right. Maybe it might be a creeper. We'll find out. It's called Winkling Owl. So we'll see. You know, I like my vodka, but I said, let me switch it up a little bit. Let me see how I can share this now. You got to just bear with me and see how I'm going to share. Share to groups. Share to friends. I have over 5,000 friends. Okay, just bear with me. Let me just share some of this. I'm tagging a few people right now. Just bear with me for a minute. Let's see what happens. I got a friend in Morocco. Let me tag my sister if she's not sleeping right now. Just a few people I'm going to be tagging and see if they come on. If they're up, they could be sleeping. Let me tag. Let's see what happened. Just bear with me for a minute right now. Let me get some people online if I can. Let's see. Royal, I'm doing a live right now, sweetie, so... Is she okay? Sorry, the ambulance just came for one of my neighbors. Is she all right? What's wrong with her?
She looked knocked out, but
Oh, my God, I hope she's okay. I tell you, you don't know 1 minute from the next. I've got to put out a prayer for my neighbor, Julie, right now. The ambulance is outside her house. Oh, Lord Jesus, I tell you. It doesn't stop. Let me share to a few groups so people can log on. Let's see. Just bear with me, people. Bear with me. Yes. And let me get some privacy. Royal, please, could you close the door? Well, welcome to Talk and Drink reality show. I'm your host, Miss Sam. And I'm quite enjoying myself doing these lives and connecting with people. I'm going to shut the door. Give me 1 second. I look like the boy. Can't hear nothing. Yeah. I'm just getting myself a little bit situated. It's 8 o'clock now, so everybody's supposed to have their drinks. Yeah. Everybody's supposed to have their drinks. I think I might knock this back a little bit. I hope everybody had a good week. It's bank holiday weekend. And I hope everybody's staying safe and protecting yourself with your mask, washing your hands, social distancing, yada, 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 yada. I just want to start off the show by giving my condolence to the Jennings family. This morning I found out a good friend of mine. I haven't seen him in about 20 years, but I still connect with the family and everything. This morning, one of my best friends in England, her name is Samantha as well, informed me that Leroy have passed. I haven't even cried yet. I'm not going to start on live neither. He was a good soul. I mean, a little bit wild, but he was a good soul. I remember some good times. I used to actually date his brother. Yeah, and his brother passed a couple years ago. Hello, thanks for joining. His brother passed a few years ago. And now I guess he's going to join his his brother, also his mother and his father. So they passed a few years ago. Now he's gone. That's what I mean. Hello, Vanessa. I love you. Thank you for joining. Yeah. I hope you have your drink, Vanessa. Let me wave. Oh, Vanessa is such a good, dear friend of mine. I miss her so much. I tell you, she's a real friend, a friend for life. We've gone through it all. Right, Vanessa? I hope you have your drink. Come on, girl, get drinking. Because let me tell you, I might finish this bottle tonight. I want everybody to share this live because I'm going to include some of you on the live where you can call in to me and I can, connect with you and you're able to share your opinions as well. Yeah, let me put on my glasses and see what you guys are saying. Oh, thank you, Vanessa. Love you, miss you so much. Grabbing one drink now. Great, Vanessa. I'm glad to hear that. Well, the first topic. Let me fill up this glass because I want to knock it back. The first topic I want to talk about is what's going on in America during this COVID time. A lot of people now are starting to get eviction notice. A lot of people are homeless as we speak as of today, from today. The sheriffs are going in. They don't care whether they have a child, whether they have a family. They don't care. They want you to take your belongings and they want you out. This is what America has come to, sadly, because what the government is doing is they don't want no middle class people. It's clear to see they don't want no middle class people. You're either going to be rich or you're going to be poor. And those who are in the middle class, you better start tightening up on your pennies and your dollars and use your money sensibly, because I'm telling you, it's just the beginning of this tribulation time. I call it tribulation. Incoming call. Daddy Reds, you calling me now. You need to go on live. Go on live. I can't stop my talk and drink now. What is it? What happened? Hold on a minute, people. I'm doing a live. What is it? Who is it? Hello?
Hey, Sam.
Yeah, I'm doing a live right now. What's up?
I understand that. But listen, he wanted me to pick one of the guys up that he had met a friend, and bring him over. But I was going to do it tomorrow.
Do it tomorrow, not tonight. Yeah.
Listen, I'll tell you about the whole scenario when I get to it.
Yeah.
I got to figure these jobs tomorrow, man. So I don't want to just be ripping and running and then trying to pick nobody up. Him or me.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
No. We'll talk. We'll talk when you get home. We'll talk.
I want to do it while I'm out,
Yeah.
So if I'll be yes or no or not, let me know, If not, then I just got to work it through my schedule.
Well, do you want to get him now? I don't know. Talk to Royal.
Royal said he wanted, it's up to him,
All right, I'll give you the phone. I'll give you the phone. I'll give you the phone because, I'm doing a live right now. Just want to interfere with my live right now. Sorry about that. The devil is a liar. Anyway, with what's going on in America with the eviction, people don't have no place to live. They're even putting the elderly on the streets. And one of the sheriff felt so bad, he called social services. He felt really, really bad. Let me see who else is online here. Candace, hi, baby. How you doing? Yeah. So, that's really bad. That's really bad. What we need to do as a nation and as a society is to stick together. Let me see. Candace wants to come online. Send it again, Candace. Sexy Candace, one of my models from MSE TV Network, wants to connect right now. Come on, send it again, Candace. No one is upset to me, Candace. I just don't like to be disturbed when I'm doing my live with bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah. Come on, Candace, if you want to come online. And Candace is all the way in England right now, so it's like something after 1 in the morning. Yeah. So they're even putting the elderly on the streets. Are you serious? Is this what America has gone to? Disgusting. And I don't vote because I'm not an American citizen. I was raised here, partly here and partly in England. I am a British citizen. I never gave up my British citizenship. I never did. You understand what I'm saying? I'm just a resident here. So, Candice said she sent something. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. You're going to have to send it again, darling, because I'm not seeing it. Yeah, so let me see if I can add her. Hold on a minute. Let me see if she's there. Oh, I see it. Oh, now. We need to support each other during this very difficult time. We need to unite. Who else is coming on? Candace. All right,
All right, real still. What's up?
Hey,
Hey,
Candy, say
Candy,
hi
say
to
hi to
everybody.
everybody.
Hi guys.
Where's your
Where's
drink?
your drink?
I have it. I'm drinking red wine, just like you.
All right,
All
well,
right, well,
what do you
what
have?
do
What
you
are you
have? What are you
drinking?
drinking?
Oh, you're
Oh,
drinking
you
red
drinking red
wine?
wine?
Cheers.
Cheers.
For all
For
of
all
those
of
who
those who
don't
don't
know
know,
Candace,
Candace,
she is
she
one of
is one
my
of my
actors and
actors and
models.
models.
I don't know
I
why it's
don't know why it's
echoing.
echoing.
Do you have
Do you
it?
have it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Echoing. It's not
Echoing. It's
sounding
not
right.
sounding right.
It's not echoing over here. It sounds perfectly fine.
It doesn't
It
sound
doesn't sound
perfectly fine
perfectly
over
fine
here,
over
man.
here, man.
Well, this is
Well,
my
this is my
daughter.
daughter.
She's a
She's a
twin.
twin.
I'm sure everybody could probably look exactly like mom.
Mm. But I might have
But
to
I might
cut you
have to
off
cut you
because
off
right now
because
it's
right
not
now it's not
sounding right.
sounding
It's in
right.
my
It's in
head.
my head.
It's
It's
echoing.
echoing.
Someone has speakers on.
Hi,
Hi,
Andrew.
Andrew.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you too.
All
All
right. That's
right. Oh, that's
Vanessa, and
Vanessa and
Vanessa's
Vanessa's
online.
online.
But I'm gonna have
But
to
I'm gonna
cut
have
you
to
off
cut you
because it's
off
not
because it's
sounding
not
right.
sounding right.
Okay, all right then.
Love
Love
you.
you.
Bye.
Okay. Now it's sounding better. Uh, I don't know. Real still, it says I can't bring you on the camera, and I don't know why. Bring them on camera. I want to see. It says can't bring real steel on camera, so I'm pissed off. You're just gonna have to listen. So as I was saying, they're putting people on the street now. People are being evicted, don't have nowhere to live. They are homeless. This is what America has come to. Hi, Rohan. How you doing? Um, Another thing I want to talk about is this bloody second stimulus check that we supposed to get. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been working in America over 30 odd years and I've paid my bloody taxes and I have paid my time with this country. Where is my bloody stimulus check? I need my money, oh. Give me my bloody money. Huh? And they think just a little 1,200 that they gave us in the beginning can suffice? No, it bloody can't. You know what I go through when I work? When I work in mental health, that's why my headache too right now. Give me my bloody check. What is Trump holding on to my money? Guess what, people? He's shoving it up his bloody ass. I don't care. Facebook, you can censor me. I don't care. Huh? Don't you have enough money? Listen. And then they expect us to pay a tax. And they're not even giving us back our money, the taxes that we pay. Some people still did not get their tax returns from 2019. What kind of shit is that? That's not good, though. That is not good. So what's going on? What do you guys think about it? Give me some feedback about the stimulus check, huh? We should be at least getting $5,000 stimulus check in this rough time during COVID, because guess what? We're buying more. I tell you, we buy so much toilet paper, huh? That the toilet paper industry, huh? Could not keep up with the amount of ass that had to be wiped during COVID period right now, huh? People were fighting over toilet paper a couple months ago. It was disgusting in the store. Huh? Really? Come on, let's get it together. More importantly, what I want to talk about, and I need your feedback, is the police brutality that's going on in America. I know it goes on all over the world, but America of late, since this year weird president in the damn White House, he has given them permission and the authority to brutalize our people. And it's not just black people they're busting up. It's white people too that is uniting with the black people, like Black Lives Matters. They are battering and killing these people. Look at these cops that have suffocated this black man naked as the day he was born, have him in the street, putting a hood over him like they're KKK. They are bloody KKK. Let me tell you. And these police can kiss my ass, right? Because I'm getting vexed now. How dare you say that you honor the citizens of America and then you are killing them off? They are KKKs wearing a badge, okay? And Trump is investing money and resources in law enforcement triple right now, because you know what? He's a little pussy. And I don't care if you tell him that he can send me back to my country. I'm fine if I have to go back to England. Trump, kiss Kitty KY minus plus. You're no good. You're dirty dog. Make this shit go viral. Make him come touch me. Me not care. Right now, me not care. Because instead of doing something about the abuse that people are suffering at the hands of law enforcement, he's giving them a clear check, mate. He's giving them so much resources, so much money and everything. That's why we don't get no stimulus check. He don't care about the ordinary people. He don't care about you and me, mate. Look how the country has mashed up since he's gotten into power. Because he's doing everything that Russia tells him to do. I don't know if he's not working for Russia. I feel like he's working for Russia. For all I know, him and him wears pin-up wife, right? Are spies for Russia. And I think Russia has invested a lot of money in real estate for him and everything, and he holds a lot of dark secret. That's why Puntan can't bend him over and fuck him up the ass. Excuse me. Cheers. Welcome to Talk and Drink. I don't really care right now. I'm looking out against it. And then he's always got something to say about Obama. Obama have class. Obama have dignity. Obama have education. Okay? Obama have charisma. I tell you, I wish Obama could run again because he would bloody win him. He fears Obama. He fears Obama because Obama's smarter than him. And let me tell you, Biden, I like Biden and everything. I hope he wins. Even though I'm not voting. I'm not voting. If I was a citizen, I'd vote. And, you know, Democrat all the way, mate. The only Republican president that I did like, really, was Reagan in the 80s, because the economy was blooming then. What is the economy saying now since Trump has gone in? Nothing. Huh? Nothing. He has created enemies, and he's made America look like a laughing stock about make America great again. Really? Go dig up your dead grandmama, Trump. Anyway, moving from politics, because me, I get hot. But I still want to say something about Jamaican politics. Congratulations to Andrew. I think he was the right man because he done very well during the COVID time. He locked down everything. So I think it's sensible to keep him in. The only thing I don't like about him is that I feel that he's given too much of Jamaica to the Chinese and they've taken over. They're building up Jamaica still. I'll give them credit there. But it should be Jamaicans owning most of the shops. Why do we just let China take over everything, whether it's America, Jamaica, England, Africa, of all places? They're having the most business more than us. What are we doing as a nation and as a people? Come on now. Huh? Next, I mean, everything is made in China, for crying out loud. Give me a bloody break. It's not that I'm being prejudiced or anything like that, but come on. Jamaica should have their own business, monopolizing on their own business, not China in Jamaica. All right, let me ask you a question on a serious note. If you go to China, do you see the black man? Or do you see even the white man monopolizing in business in China? No. All right. So why is it the other way around? Ask yourself that. Come on, people, man. And a lot of you can be entrepreneurs. Anyway, the next thing we want to talk about is relationship. Let me fill up the bottle because, you know, I'm going to be on a roll now because we're talking about relationships. Are you fulfilled in your relationship? Are you fulfilled with your partner? Women and men, why do you put up with the bullshit? I'm talking by experience. I know what I'm talking about. I've been married 4 times too many. Huh? And from husband number 1 come down to husband number 4 is just BS. You understand? And now I'm not going to settle for less. Right now, Miss Sam is currently dating. I said it. I don't care. Because, you know, if your husband ain't acting right and keep on cheating with Mary Jo and everybody else, you know what I mean? If he sees a bloody skirt and a broom, he wants to screw it. Where does that leave you? So you have to know your worth as well. And I'm not encouraging anybody to be an adulteress or anything like that, because I was raised up as a good girl. But, you know, there's just so much a girl can take, mate. You know what I mean? It's been one too many screws. You understand what I mean? Yeah. So I let him do him. I'm going to do me. And Stella going to get a groove on right now. Where's my toy boys at? Cheers. Well, this, you know, this wine is quite good. I hope everybody is drinking. Now, for those of you, if it's your first time on my Talk and Drink Live, my name is Miss Sam. I'm the producer for MSE TV Network. Go and check us out on YouTube. And please do subscribe and share with your friends. We do a lot of movies. There's blogs. There's talk shows. There's hilarious comedies where I play different characters. There's a lot there for you to enjoy. So please go over to MSE TV Network on YouTube and subscribe. Cheers. Yes. Let me see what Vanessa is saying. Okay. It's Pelosi's fault. She's doing her hair instead of working. Cheers. You know what, Vanessa? They're all in the same boat. They will argue on camera in front of us to make us believe that they're against each other. and then they laugh behind our backs and they probably screw each other after and have a good drink. Let me be honest with you, okay? But I appreciate your comment. Politics is politricks. You understand what I mean? Because it's not benefiting nobody but them and their pockets, if you must know the truth, Vanessa. Yeah. So what are you ladies are gonna do? Some of you are not feeling fulfilled and you're in a relationship that you want to get out of. And you just don't know how to say kiss my ass on both sides and let me move on. Listen, some of you women out there are so beautiful, young, intelligent, educated, talented, and you're sitting down and you're making these niggas out there, or whatever you want to call them, these men out there, take liberty with you. Don't. You are precious. I had to learn the hard way. Let me tell you, but after bloody 4 marriages, mate, I have learned my bloody lesson. Well, let me tell you, I will not take no bullshit from no man. And whatever you do, guess what? Miss Sam can do it better. Yeah, what's good for the goose is good for the gander. So you want to go out there and act a fool? Hey, baby, both of us can act a fool. I don't care. They say 2 wrongs don't make a right. But you know what? Sometimes you keep on taking and years of it. One day you're gonna wake up and you're just gonna do you. You know what I mean? Yeah. So holla at me. All these gorgeous young men on Facebook, holla at Miss Sab. You never know. You might get lucky. Let's see what else is going on here. Yeah, that's right, Vanessa. Politricks. Rohan is laughing, eh? Yes. I want to know how you guys are coping with this COVID and all of that. I know some of you are not employed anymore, or some of you might have even started your own business. During this period, I noticed for some people it's really, really difficult, and then for others, they're just blooming. They're just shining. They become more adventurous. You understand what I mean? And things seems to be going well for them because they have changed their mindset. Your mindset is very important, what you do, how you think. Remember, oh God, who's this now? Sorry, Kabibi. I can't leave the live now. I don't even know how to share this. Hold on. Give me 1 minute, people. I don't even know. I'm gonna leave it like that. I have to get used to this, you know. I got to get used to doing these lives and everything like that. Let me see something. Forgive me, people. All right, there goes Daddy Red. Steven, I'm upset with you and I'm gonna cuss you out on live. Anyway, glad to see you. Where you've been? This is one of my Puerto Rican gorgeous hunk actor for MSE TV. Sending you love. Miss Sam, miss you. What's going on with you? You got to check in. What's up? You got to give me a call. What's going on with you? Now, if you want to know more about Steven right now, go on MSE TV Network. Check out Spitting Bars. There's 12 series. Each series, number 1, this guy can sing. So all your producers out there, if you need a good singer, not even a good singer, he's a great singer, hit him up. Check out Spitting Bars. Connect with me on 407-723-9831. Yeah. What's up, Daddy Reds? What's up with you? Want to say hi to the people? I want to say a quick hi. This is another one of our actors, one of my son. Royal is in the Black Mob Enterprise movie. Come say hi quick. Quick! Come on. He's acting all shy and all that. Come on, say a quick hi. Look at you. Go on to the show. Go on. So just show your face quickly. All right. Bye. Yeah. So if you want to see him, he's a good little actor now. Not because he's my son, but he is. Check him out in the Black Mob Enterprise movie on MSE TV network. You got to check out that movie. It was one of our first movie, and I still watch it. I actually played the twin. Yeah, Obi was the one with the black hair, and then with the blue hair, that was the gangster godmother Blue. Yeah, so they were fighting for power for the mob. But I'm not going to give away everything. Go check it out. The Black Mob Enterprise on YouTube, MSE TV network. Let me see who else is coming on. Okay. Oh, let me get Daddy Reds on because he always spice things up. Hold on. I don't know why it's not allowing me to get you on camera, Daddy Reds. Let me check something here. Let me check the ad. All right. I invited you to watch, but let me see with the camera now. You have to send a request, Daddy Reds. Because for some reason it's not coming up. I don't know why. For you to be on camera, bring them on ad. It's saying can't bring Joseph on camera. So I don't know what's going on with it because he was on 2 weeks ago. Hi. Oh, somebody called me beautiful. Ephraim, thank you. Hi, baby. How you doing? Thank you for joining Talk and Drink. I want some of you to click to see if you can come online with me. I had a little bit of problem with Candace from the UK. It was echoing. I know Real Still, I think, wanted to come on camera, and it says I couldn't bring her on. And now with Daddy Reds saying I can't bring you on. I don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on. But I'm just going to continue to talk. Yeah, so this COVID-19 has put a damper on a lot of people and a lot of business, a lot of families. By the same time, it's also blessed a lot of people that would have been working regular jobs and now being their own boss, entrepreneurs, making money, seeing a way out and being more, prosperous. So it's half and half right now. For me, it slowed down things a little bit, but it's making me think out of the box. So sometimes we have to think out of the box if we want to move on and to do great things. I hope everybody got their drink because this tastes damn good. The more I drink is the more it tastes so good, I'm telling you. So I just want to encourage some of you. Some of you are feeling down because you're in more. You're not really going out. You're not partying. You're not communicating. And you just feel isolated, lonely. Sometimes it's good to have some self-time. Sometimes we got to look within ourselves and appreciate and love who we are. Some of us don't even know ourselves. Are you listening to what I'm saying to you? Learn who you are. Get to know who you are. Search within yourself and draw out that inner excellence that you have within you. A lot of you have great purpose and a great destiny. You understand what I'm saying? But the reason why things are not manifesting is because you're not learning yourself. You're not taking time for yourself. When was the last time you go get your hair done? Or even if you, because it's COVID time, you don't want to be going to this different hairdressers and spas and certain things. You can buy stuff in the store and do it at home. Pamper yourself. Because sometimes, if you see me sometime, I have to say, no, what a nightmare. Bloody hell, Sam, put yourself together. Put yourself together. Like today, I was at Body Works, picking out some stuff and everything. And I come home now, I shower down, I soap up with the gel, and it smell good, make me feel good, and pamper myself. Learn to love yourself. How you expect people to love you on a serious note, and you're not even pampering or loving yourself? Don't you think you're asking a bit too much, mate? Because let me tell you, the outside most of the time is a reflection of the inside. You see, when outside don't look right, but then again, some people are wolves. Them look nice outside, but their heart dirty. So it can go either way, I guess. Yeah, and be very careful of the people that come around you, because some people just come around you to learn, steal your ideas, and take it away. Not everything that you want to do or you plan to do, you tell everybody. Let it manifest. I had to learn that the hard way, people, to be quite honest. Cheers. I'm just keeping it 100. Hey, welcome everybody to Talk and Drink. Miss Sam live. Please share this live. Share. Let somebody get some of the blessings and some of the jokes as well. Yeah? So not everything that you plan, you tell people, because not everybody's going to be happy for you. They have a thing called the evil eye. I don't know if you've heard about it. People don't have to do witchcraft. They don't have to go to a voodoo place or whatever. But telepathically, people can try to block you. Where's my toy boys at? Yeah, it's true. Ephraim, it's true. It's true. They will try to block you. And the evil eye, you know, some people, your back is turned and they give you such a dirty look. Be very careful of who comes around you. I don't know who I'm talking to, but be very careful who come around you of late, and be very extra careful about who touch you. You listening to what I'm saying? Because some people are touching you and they don't even have a good vibration, and then that vibration rub off on you. I'm keeping it real. You think I'm joking? I'm serious. Be careful. Be particular who touch you. Not just because it's COVID time. May I fill up? This wine is so nice. I hope it doesn't give me a hangover in the morning. Rambo, Kabibi, trying to get in touch with me. They need to come on live. That's what they need to do right now. Yeah. Let me tell you, be careful who touch you. Another thing, be careful who you get close to and be intimate with during this time. To me, 2020 is a year of death for certain people. But then for certain people, it's the year of rebirth. Does that make any sense to you? That's deep for me right now. 2020, let me repeat it again. 2020 is the year of death for some. But then for others, it's the year of rebirth. For some of us, you're going backwards. For some of us, we're going forward. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, there is awakening happening. That's why you see a lot of riots and a lot of chaos and a lot of things. People are tired. They're sick and tired of things going the way how it is. It's like they're bringing the sheep to the slaughter. And some of the sheep say, well, Mina, meh. No. You have to stand up. You have to fight for your rights. And you have to believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, then you're finished. In this society, and I love the new generation, the young generation, because they're not sitting back and accepting any and anything. They are talking, they are taking back what rightly belongs to them, and that's their lives. Excuse me, because if you follow this government, you're like a bloody robot. Next minute they're gonna want to chip you. Let's get deep. Let me knock this back because I got something to tell some of you that's gonna blow your mind. I got something to tell you. You see, if we don't get serious in this 2020 going into 2021, they're going to be filling you up with different vaccines. Let's not talk about the COVID vaccine that Bill Gates wants to fund and bring out. I don't know if that man is not the Antichrist. I tell you, don't take back no check. Kiss my ass. Right? Don't take that vaccine. Do not take that vaccine. If you can help it, please don't. Be careful. Matter of fact, use natural remedies. Use natural remedies. God give us natural herbs on the earth for us. He give us the mentality where we can use it. Make bush tea. Drink it. You understand what I mean? Use natural remedies. Then go into the doctors for this your shot, for this medicine. And, you know, when they do the commercial on TV, when they're advertising a certain medication, by the time they finish with the side effects, it's worse than the cure. It's worse. Because it might cure you in one way, but it might kill you the other way. Does that make any sense? Be careful what you put in your body. I've got to, because I have a habit that I'm not too proud about. And, you know, pray for Miss Sam here that I can kick the habit. Yeah? Right. But we got to really take care of our mind, our bodies, and our souls. We have to do it. We have to be complete. We got to be careful what we put in our mouth, what we eat. You understand what I'm saying? And that includes medication. Drink your water, take your vitamins. You need your immune system to be strong right now. Because let me tell you, COVID, if you believe in it, if you accept it, then it manifests and then it come into existence. So COVID-19 is real for some, for those who accept it, and not real for others who deny it. So it stays away. I don't know if you guys are ready for any metaphysics right now, because I'm going on that level tonight. I know you guys want jokes and all of that, but you know what, Miss Sam, move with the spirit. And whatever my spirit tells me, that's what I'm going to say. You know? Yeah, I can have a laugh and have a drink in the middle of it, but sometimes I need to educate the people about certain things and for them to reflect what's really going on. It's time for you guys to open up your third eye. Some of you have been walking around blind in every situation. Well, it's time for you to wake up and manifest the greatness within you. Let me tell you something. Getting on a biblical note. And I was brought up in the church. Believe it or not, I was evangelist one time. But after one of the pastors then was stripping me naked with his eyes and wanted to meet me in a hotel, that was it for me. Hey, I said, people, that was it for me. I would never wear that red dress again. Hey, God, I tell you. A lot of these pastors got a lot to answer God for, you know. But I was an evangelist one time. But that doesn't stop my belief in certain things. But you know what? There's a lot of hypocrites in these churches, and I can't sit down and go to church because I will cuss them outright in the house of the Lord, and I don't want to do that. Let me see who's tuning in now. Hi, Nancy. I just want to be a good girl. I don't want to disrespect anybody in the house of the Lord. So me take for myself. Right. Let me tell you something. It's time for a change. The only person who can do that change and welcome that change is you. It's what you want out of life. Let me tell you, it's not what you go through in life. It's how you go through it that determines either your victory or your defeat. Did you hear what I said? It's not what you go through in life. It's how you go through it that determines your victory or your defeat. The choice is yours. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? I'm going to tell you some personal stories because I feel it's important that I keep it 100 with you, just to encourage you. And to me, I have nothing to hide. My life is an open book. I'm not going to come up in and act like everything hunky-dory everything was hunky-dory in my life and everything. Hell no, it wasn't. You know what I had to go through to get to this level, baby? I went through a lot. At a young age, I was molested. Hey! Let me keep on drinking. Like a lot of us, in every culture, every background, every race, I was molested. You understand what I mean? So I was kind of damaged. You understand what I mean? But God saw me through. You hear me? And when that wasn't enough, you have some teachers, they can damage your children. There's some teachers that are very, very unsupportive of their students. I had a teacher that said that I would never, she was racist. She said I would never amount to nothing. Well, when I reach a certain age, when I reached a certain age, I went back to England, and I went and I saw that teacher. At that time, I had one of the top jobs at IBM in the 80s. You know, IBM is a well-successful company, working with all the elites. And she was shocked to see me. I said, remember, you told me that I wouldn't amount to nothing? Well, look at me now, bitch. Look at me now. I have been through a lot. I was in a domestic violence relationship where when the person met me, because I used to do modeling, believe it or not, they loved me that way. But as soon as I said I do, that was it for my ass. I'm not lying. All he wanted to do was get me pregnant. And all he wanted to do was keep me in the house. I wasn't allowed to go out with my friends unless he was there, or they had to ask, my friends had to ask him if I could go out, and it's usually no. Locked up in the house, couldn't wear makeup, couldn't be myself, had me looking like I was about 62 instead of 32. You understand what I mean? Yeah, I was in bondage. I almost lost my mind. Until one day I look in the mirror. When I look in the mirror, I say, oh, what is? Where is Samantha? Because I'm looking in the mirror, but what's reflecting was not thy true self. And I said, you know what? I'm getting the fuck out of Dodge. I'm getting the hell out of Dodge. And I set for that bitch. And when he went to work, let me tell you something. I had a moving company. When he come back home, no couch, no TV, no washing machine, no dryer, no crib, no babies, and no me. I was gone, baby. And I went 300 miles to a place where I knew nobody. I left Manchester and went to Oxfordshire. And I rebuilt my life. And mind you, I had 3 children under the age of 2, because I had twins, and then I had another one 22 months after. You understand what I'm saying? And my other son was in America with his father, and Roy wasn't born yet. And I lived in Abingdon, Oxfordshire, which is suburbs. There's only 2% black, and that was me and my children. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Talk and Drink. Cheers. I'm just giving a bit of my life story. And I knew nobody there, but I had God, and I had my dignity, and I was safe away from the abuse, the kick down, the box down. You understand? This person used to put chemicals in my drink. I almost went mad. But there is a God that I serve. And God gave me the strength to leave that son of a bitch. And you know, I was a sight the day when I left. I had a big suitcase, a pack of formula milk, SMA milk, I'll never forget it, a pack of diapers, and my Bible. And I had my twins in the twin buggies, and I had my youngest daughter that was 16 weeks strapped to my chest. And I said I had to leave. I'll never forget it. Victoria Station in Manchester. And as the train pulled out, I said, God, how am I going to make it going to Oxford? I don't know nobody. How am I going to manage with these babies and all this luggage on the train? Please, I'm doing a live. It's very important. No, please.
Please, baby, can I talk to you? I need somebody to talk to.
You need somebody to talk to. These people need me to talk to. I'm at a critical part right now. I got to do this for my. Could you at least give me 5-10 minutes, please?
I'm in good condition right now.
You're in critical condition.
Yes. My mind, everything. I'm about to strike out.
This is husband number 4. Huh?
Yeah.
Go.
But I just need somebody to talk to.
Yeah, but my fans need me to talk to them right now, Bruce.
Yes, I understand that they are more important to
You see how the devil don't want me to tell my story? Huh?
It's not the devil. I want you to tell your story. Never make anyone feel that your husband.
I'm on live right now. Can I finish my live? I will talk to you in a minute. I will deal with you after.
All right, then.
Because you know you got it coming to you.
No, I need mental counseling. Right
Yeah.
now, because I don't want to put myself in no situation that I know that I don't want to go back in no type of situation.
Okay. All right. Now I take you seriously. All right. Anyway, getting back to my story. It's the first time I'm doing a live and I'm interrupted so many times, but I got to get my story out. As I was saying, I have 3 children under the age of 2. I didn't know how I was going to make it, but God sent 2 angels. They were elderly women on that train. And they helped me. And they don't know me, but they helped me all the way to Oxford on that train with those children. I know they were sent by God to help me. And I ended up in a woman's refuge for domestic violence for a year. Till I got my place and I built up my strength. And then I had a nice place in the suburbs. And I went back to university online to do something for my children. And the rest is history. Now I work in mental health. I've been working in mental health for over 25 years. This is a serious side of me, Sam, right now. And I never look back. And now I'm the producer of MSE TV Network, networking with 24 countries all around the world, helping people to become actors, writing scripts so they can act out. I'm letting them live their dreams. I'm enabling them, I should say, to live their dreams. And some of them are damn good actresses, if not all of them, not because they're mine. You understand what I mean? And some of them are wonderful music artists and everything. Big up Real Steel out there in Angel Eyes every time, wherever you're there, Miss Sam Love. Oh no, you must check out Real Steel on YouTube and check out Angel Eyes on YouTube on MSE TV Network, Spitting Bars. There's a series with them. Check them out. They're fantastic. If you want to book them, make Daddy Reds know. I'll let them know. I'll let Miss Sam know. Big up on yourself, love of the large. but I had to share something really personal with you about myself right now. Cheers. Mm, this wine is beautiful. You understand? Thank you guys for tuning in to Talk and Drink. I'm gonna go and deal with this son of a bitch. No, but you need somebody to talk to. Never need somebody to talk to when I'm asleep out and I saka out and I woman but no him know Miss Sam no. Hmm? No, you want to talk to Miss Sam. Hmm? After you do your dirty on me. No, you need somebody to talk. Oh, what the rascal. I got laugh. Why is the devil trying Miss Sam? Hmm? Let me tell you. And if you want to do some acting, hit Miss Sam up on 407-723-9831. I'm located. Headquarters is in Orlando, Florida. Okay, but we have teams all around the world. So if you live in Jamaica, I have 3 teams in Jamaica. You want to act with them? Yeah, act with them. If you live in Germany and over, you can act with the German team. If you live in Trinidad, you can act with the Trinidadian team. And if you live in Nigeria, or if you live in Africa, we have a team up there. Be in our movies. Yeah? Later will be greater. I'll talk to you guys next week. Be blessed. And come back to Talk and Drink. Same time, same place. Yeah. Who's coming on now when I'm about to... Oh, Monica. That's one of my actors from Trinidad. Hi, Monica. Hi, darling. I'm about to come off now because I've been on for a while. Yeah. You got to watch Evil Hearts. You will see Monica, one of our great actresses from Trinidad. Their movie's actually doing well on YouTube. So you all go to MSC TV Network on YouTube and check out all our movies. Let me tell you, before I go, let me talk about some of the movies. Evil Heart is a very deep movie. It's very good. They've done very well. That's our Trinidad team. Our global director is Steve. Hi, Steve. Big up Steve every time, wherever you're there. I just love him. He's very serious about his work as a film director. And we thank God for him. He's doing amazing things with our Trinidad team. Yeah. They're also going to have another movie coming out called The Last Supper. You got to watch it because it's not a regular Last Supper. You know, I do things a bit different, but it's coming from a Rastafarian point of view kind of thing. So this should be very interesting. Yeah, you got to go watch The Wolf Pack. Let me tell you something for all you Wolf Pack fans out there. You got Wolfpack 1, which was done by Florida. And then you got Wolfpack 2, 3, and 4 done by Jamaica. Jamaica run with the team. And it's doing quite well still on YouTube. So if you want to be entertained, go and watch Wolfpack 1, 2, 3, and 4. People are ball out for 5. I don't know. It could happen. I'll see how I feel. You know what I mean? They've done so well. And you'll see some of our main stars in the Wolfpack, like Angel Eyes, Real Steel, Stacey Johnson, and Kabibi. And there's many more, you know. Then you have to go watch Daddy's Girl 1. There's going to be a part 2 coming out, hopefully in February, March of next year. You got to watch 1. You got to watch it. Everybody's talking about it. It's doing very well on YouTube right now. So that's Daddy's Girl. The team up. Big up Kabibi team. Yeah, yeah. You got to check out Germany. They got Gangster Christ out there. It's a little bit funny, but I really like it. And you have to check out The Punisher and the Jenna Home Invasion by our German team. Then you've got to check out the other movies from Africa doing it in Nigeria. God, Lust Don't Pay, God Got Your Back, and Love Is Blind. That is their latest movie. Love Is Blind. They're gone clear with it. Then run away with it. Nigeria, big up yourself. Big up to the Aqua Dons out there. My global film directors out there, Don and Joseph, they're brothers. They work fantastically together. They have a great team, and they're getting ready to do Voodoo Husband. I can't wait. They got the script and everything, so they trying to prepare themselves to do the Voodoo Husband movie. So make sure you guys listen. I need everybody to share this live, and everybody that you share the live to, tell them to subscribe on our YouTube channel, MSE TV Network. I need you guys to watch some of our movies and comment, okay? Because we're there to entertain you, all right? And let us know how you feel about some of our movies. Who's on there now? Big up yourself, Prince Amma. Let me tell you about Prince Amma. He's known me from year 19. Me and him are friends for life. He is a UK director. He does a lot of sharing of our posts and letting people know about MSE TV Network. He's been a friend of mine, a dear friend for life. Love you. Big up England. Big up UK right now. I need everybody to follow Prince Amma on YouTube. He's got some wicked songs, his roots and culture, and he's very dear to me. Hey, Prince, may I come to England next year? You know, may I come to Manchester? May I go seek you out? Yeah, for all time's sake. Yeah. So do your thing. Big up yourself. Well, you've missed the live now because Miss Sam is about to come off, but I'm going to share it on Facebook so you get to watch it. Yeah, we started off talking about politics and different things, and then it got a little bit personal. I tried to encourage people because that's who I am. I'm also a life coach and a mentor. So if you need life coaching or mentoring, I'm your girl. Okay, you can call me on 407-723-9831. I'm here for you. I'm also a professional relax therapist, believe it or not. I just have not been doing it for a while, but now I'm ready to do it again. So I've reinvented myself. So I'm a professional stress consultant. So if you need to talk to me, that's what I'm here for. You don't have to go through the struggle by yourself. That's what Miss Sam is here for. Let me tell you something. I am a people person. I love people from all backgrounds, all religion. It doesn't matter. As long as blood runs through your vein, me and you are friends. You understand what I mean? But make sure your heart is clean when you come around me, because if your heart not clean when you come around me, Miss Sam will spit you out and distance you. Yeah. So keep it real. Cheers. I hope you guys have been drinking. And I'm going to go now, and I'm going to see what this waste man wants. But he needs somebody to talk to. He doesn't want to be in the same predicament. They only know me when the shit hit the fan. That's why it's good for humble yourself. After, between me and you, after him out their door, he want fiddle. Then know when the shit hit the fan, him know he wife. Me free and single, can let me tell you something. Marriage is not a piece of paper at no registry office or no church. Real marriage is the two mind becoming one. I keep on telling you that. You could be married to somebody, right? And they're not really your husband, or they're not really your wife because they do not connect with you spiritually. And then there's somebody that you don't go to no courthouse or no registry office, and you and them connect. When you think something, they might think the same thing. When you feel pain, they feel pain. That is the two minds becoming one. Check it out. When Adam and Eve was in the garden, I keep on telling you that if the story is true. When Adam and Eve was in the garden, anybody if you marry them? Where was the pastor? Tell me, where was the pastor? They were married through the Holy Spirit and the two minds becoming as one before God. I'd rather a relationship like that, where you connect spiritually with someone. Then a piece of paper, then when them go on with them shit, you can't get out of it. You have to go to courthouse and all of this. Screw that, man. Give me the spiritual marriage. I don't want the paper marriage. So all of the man where I look for marry me and take me a courthouse or in front of a pastor. I won't do it. I won't do it. We do it between ourselves to God. I'm just keeping it real. I hope everybody had their drinks, you know. Anyway, Miss signing off. Every time we want to sign off, somebody come on. Oh, baby. Ephraim, you say you could listen to me all night long. Oh, you've made my day. Well, I hope you tune in and I hope you share this live. Keep on putting on my glasses now. I might as well just keep on the glasses, isn't it? Anthony, my son. It's no you tuning in. It's no you tuning in. That's my big son. Love him. He done talk and drink with me about 3 weeks ago, and we had a blast. Oh, he's here! Oh my God, he's here! I'm about to finish.
Yeah, sure.
Did you see?
Yeah.
Say hi then.
Hello, good people. Hello, good people.
Oh,
Hello,
he's
good
here.
people. Hello, good people.
Surprise, my big son. Yeah, well, you might as well get a glass then. You have something to say?
Something to say?
Yeah, talk for me. Let me go to the bathroom, please. Talk to them for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah, please. Go get a glass. Go get a glass. Oh, you see how my child surprised me? Oh, I love him so much. Let me tell you. So, as I was saying, the two minds becoming one, that's a kind of relationship that I'm longing for. You know what I mean? You ever meet somebody when you're in real love, you know, just the sound of their name, your heart flutter. When you see them, your heart skip a beat. It's nice to be in love, and it's nice to feel love. You understand what I mean? And remember, if you want to be in love or feel love or enjoy love, put that out to the universe. Put it out to the universe. Because guess what? The universe don't have a choice but to obey what you want. Because remember, God give us power and dominion over everything. He made you in his image and he made you for a reason. Live out your destiny. Live out your purpose. Live out your dream. And just be yourself. Don't worry what people want to say. You don't think people don't say things about me that can kiss me ass? Don't care. I am that I am. I am who I am. You either accept it or kiss my ass. Simple. You understand what I mean? I'm not going to change for nobody. I'm not saying that I'm perfect, because I'm far from perfect. Because it'll take me, you know, you better run, you know. But I'm a work in progress each and every day. I don't pretend to be something that I'm not just to put on a show. You understand what I'm saying? It's either people like me or they don't. And if they don't, that's all right, because everybody is entitled to their own opinion. And I've got to respect that. You understand what I mean? It's not everybody that I meet that I take to. Because some people's spirit is just foul. You know what I mean? But what I don't like, people that come around me and they're being two-faced. Keep the other face to yourself. Don't bring it to me, because me'll lick it down. You understand what I'm saying? Keep it real with me as I'm keeping it real with you. Anyway,
I didn't prep for this.
You don't have to prep. But I need a bathroom break because I've been going. I don't even know how long I've been going, people. I've been going for a while right now. I've been going for. Been on your live for time, talk and drink, friends for life, Hammer, Prince Hammer. That's our UK director. He know me from me 19. He know me before you was in my belly, boy.
Oh,
let me tell you.
That's still.
Hmm?
Let me not be Alvin.
That's my good friend, and he's a wicked artist too.
The artist too?
Big up Prince Hammer. The drink I get to me now.
Okay.
All right. Go on. You go in front. I'm going to the bathroom.
All right.
Go on.
How y'all doing?
You can tell them what you
How y'all
want.
doing? Yeah. Look a little rough right now. A little scruffy. Your name's Tony. You know, people who know me call me Anthony. I'm gonna keep it real simple. And I didn't create this. This is already known. For those who are wondering why, pieces of life not making any sense or it's not going the way it's supposed to go. It's really simple. 2 scriptures. You have not because you ask not. Write it down. Ask God for it. Ask for help. Stop trying to do it on your own. Why do it on your own? Nothing in this world has to be done alone. Nothing. Nothing at all. Other than you have not, other than you ask, you have not because you ask not. Habakkuk 2:2. I know where this one's at. And I just learned this the other day. I might even go to the front, pretend. I love watching motivational videos, Steve Harvey all the way, a whole bunch of other people. But Habakkuk 2:2. Write the vision and make it plain. Get a vision board. Do a vision board. Get some paper. Get a notebook. Write your goals. 100 goals, 200 goals, 300 goals. Just get it done. There's really no excuse. And something I learned last week was it is nearly impossible, key factor, nearly impossible to be negative or even have a substance of negative thoughts while you're working out. I just got back into working out, walking, little exercise, little jumping jacks, little sprints around the block. I'm getting there. Knocked out about 100 sit-ups today. Keep it simple. Corona. I don't want to hear about that. Corona's going to end up being on the damn immunization list. You know that yellow form you get when you're small? And before you could travel to different countries, you have to have all those stuff filled out. That's all it's going to become, just like the flu. But get out there and follow your dreams. A lot of people don't dream anymore or even try to attack their dreams because they feel like, I'm an adult now. I'm grown. I don't have to. Nah, half of us have a talent and we don't even know it yet. You have to be willing to take the journey to find out. What's the point if you don't? What are you doing? If you're not doing that, what are you doing? Working to do what? To pay bills? To do what? To enjoy a few bucks out of it, maybe? After bills, rent, mortgage is paid? Has anybody ever thought about trading? You should look into it. If you want, I can send Miss Sam a link that you can forward to anybody who's interested. They'll send you a link. Learn a little bit about trading. There's another part to it. Helps change the mindset. Help change the mindset for our children. Because if we continue the same path and if we continue, school, I'm not down on school. If it wasn't for school, I wouldn't be able to speak the way I speak now or even have the type of knowledge that I have.
Yeah, you come from home too when you're at.
Definitely.
Dang.
But change the mindset of the future. The kids will always be the future. So if you change their mindset from having to get a 9 to 5, everything else can change too. Their mindset can change. Therefore, the choices they make in life changes. Try to get them to develop a business, entrepreneurship, something. Doesn't have to be what I'm doing. Anything. Because trust me, trading is not the only thing that I do. You feel me? It's not the only thing I do. It's not. You have to have your fingers dipped in more than one pot of sauce. Why? You never know which sauce will come out tasting correct. You don't know. But yo, that's my jewel for the night. Y'all want to see him again? Let me say him know. Here she comes.
Yes, people, I did have to take a bathroom break. And let me tell you, that wine is a creeper. It's creeping on me now. So I just want to say thank you all for tuning in to Talk and Drink. I'll see you next week, same time, same place. Stay protected, and you all are in my prayers. God bless. Good night. And make sure you save this live and share it with your friends, and make sure that you subscribe to MSE TV Network on YouTube. I'm out.